Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best women's hiking boots on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Sportiva Ultra Raptor 2 Mid GTX. The Sportiva Ultra Raptor 2 Mid GTX is an exceptional lightweight hiking boot that offers superior comfort, breathable Gore-Tex protection from the elements, and a durable and aggressive lug pattern that will keep you sure-footed when covering uneven terrain. While our testers experienced comfort directly out of the box, we recommend sizing up about a half size in these boots as they run a bit on the small side. They are also available for order in a wide option for a more customized fit. Besides impressive comfort, the Ultra Raptor also offers a 5-inch shaft and comfort collar that surrounds the ankle and a durable lacing system that creates stability while in motion. The traction was on par with the best hiking boots that we tested, featuring Friction XF 2.0 rubber outsoles with an impact brake system and trail bite heels, allowing for excellent traction and control in various mountain landscapes. Did we mention this high-performing hiker is available at a reasonable price? This boot is an all-around champ. Number 2. Our second best pick is Salomon Outline Mid GTX. The Salomon Outline Mid GTX is another excellent lightweight performer featuring comfort directly out of the box with very minimal break-in time. Our testers were impressed by the streamlined design that cuts weight without sacrificing performance, available at an affordable price. The Contra-Grip outsoles, in addition to the 5mm lug depths in a reverse chevron pattern, provide superior traction on a variety of surfaces, from loose sand to boulder hopping. These boots gave us confidence to push the pace. While we never experienced any durability with this hiking boot during our extensive testing period, we can't help but wonder if the synthetic texture upper and the inner Gore-Tex membrane may not last as long as a traditional hiking boot with a full leather upper. And while our feet stayed dry, even when fully submerged, and we noticed no rips or tears in the synthetic upper, it is thin. Overall, the Outline is a great option if you are looking for a breathable and lightweight option to increase your performance on the trails, available at a price that won't break the bank. Number 3. Our third best pick is Merrell Moab 2 Mid Waterproof. The Merrell Moab 2 Mid Waterproof scored highly across many of our testing metrics due to their simple, supportive, and comfortable design, available at an affordable price. The fit is suitable for a wide range of foot shapes, however, it particularly favors those with a wider foot, offering a well-padded ankle and tongue which increase overall comfort. The air-cushioned heel made up for the support that the lower ankle shaft denied, and the design provides extra support for the arch of the foot. While the Moab 2 Mid is one of the heaviest boots we tested, they still feel light underfoot. The real caveats worth mentioning are the lack of traction. Even with 5mm lug depths, we weren't confident enough to trust our feet on all types of terrain. We also noticed that the lacing system is secured with mesh, which we imagine would wear out over time, though we had no issues in our testing period. At the end of the day, this is an affordable option for those new to hiking and who aren't primarily focused on high performance. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Ultra Lone Peak All-Weather Mid. The Ultra Lone Peak All-Weather Mid is an excellent choice for those with a wider foot and those who prefer the agility of a trail running shoe with the support of a hiking boot. This boot is among some of the lightest we tested without sacrificing stability, traction, or superior comfort. The ankle cuff is padded without adding bulk, and the lacing system latches twice over the ankle for maximum stability. Comfortable, yes, however, if you are new to Ultras, you may want to allow for some time to adjust to the 0mm drop, which places the heel and forefoot at the same height. This feature encourages better alignment that will benefit your entire body, but you have to work up to longer distances over time. The Trail Claw feature allows for a sure-footed and very responsive shoe, meaning you can push hard in difficult terrain. Our testers were shocked by the waterproof technology, which kept our feet dry and warm during our submersion tests. That said, the event fabric is rather thin and prone to durability issues when snagged on sharp rocks or downed trees. This is also a more expensive option when compared to other trail runners/hiking boot hybrid options. To be fair, every design has a few caveats, especially with the kind of extensive testing we do. Overall, we love this lightweight design for the confidence it inspires on the trail. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is La Sportiva Nucleo High 2 GTX. The La Sportiva Nucleo High 2 GTX offers all the features and support of a traditional hiker but with a modern twist. Thanks to Gore-Tex surround membranes, these hiking boots truly stand apart from the rest due to their unbeatable waterproofing. The nubuck leather upper and 3D flex ankle hinge also provide excellent comfort as the leather is stiff enough to provide support and flexible enough to mold to the shape of your foot for a more customized fit. The leather which attaches to the lacing system of the Nucleo High is built to last, making this one of the most durable boots we tested. Perhaps the only downsides to these modern hikers are their heavy weight, lack of breathability, and price tag. To be fair, many of the boots that we tested are a trail runner/hiking boot hybrid and are focused on high performance in a less durable design. Also, leather is a more expensive and durable material than synthetic mesh. Bottom line, our testers are confident that the features will make the price tag entirely worthwhile in the long run. These boots are excellent for the local trails or extended backpacking trips in wet conditions. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.